Want to protect your car, boat and four-wheel drive? If you demand long life and high performance under harsh conditions, WD-40 Specialist Automotive Lanolin is the protective spray and lubricant you need. Lanolin is a naturally occurring wax derived from sheep's wool, which WD-40 have carefully refined and added an anti-corrosion lubricant to protect your metal surfaces and lubricate joints. WD-40 Specialist Automotive Lanolin Spray bears superior water-resisting, lubrication and anti-corrosion properties, deterring rust 3 times longer than the leading competitor. Its non-water soluble and salt-resistant nature makes it ideal for marine conditions. It's also tolerant to acidic and high humidity environments. This lanolin spray works best on a clean, dry surface. Use the wide spray pattern for rust protection on a trailer or vehicle chassis. Or flick the straw for a concentrated spray to lubricate door hinges, leaf springs and much more. The lanolin spray can be safely applied to bare metal or painted surfaces and most rubber items. Be confident next time you take your vehicle out in harsh conditions. Ensure WD-40 Specialist Automotive Lanolin is a key part of your preparation and maintenance routine.